In this guide, we're going to show you how you can share digital games from your Nintendo account with every single user on your Nintendo Switch. If you want more guides like this, make sure you like the video and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. First, scroll down on the home menu and open up the Nintendo eShop. Go ahead and sign in with the Nintendo account that owns the games that you would like to go ahead and share. And once you get loaded in, go ahead and go all the way to the right and then up and select the profile icon in that top right corner. Scroll in this left sidebar until you find the settings option and then scroll all the way down on this page. Here you're going to find the pass enabled console section. If it says deregister like it does for me, that means your Nintendo account is already set up as the primary Nintendo account on this console, and all other users will have access to your downloaded games, content, and subscriptions. If you do have two Nintendo Switch consoles, however, and your first Switch 2 is currently set as the pass-enabled console, you'll first need to go ahead and deregister it there, and then on that second Nintendo Switch 2, simply go ahead and sign into that account, and then just click on the Nintendo eShop, sign in again with that same account, and it's going to automatically become the new primary console, allowing shared access. It really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Have a great day.